In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to backtest on TradingView for free. If you're into trading, knowing how to efficiently backtest your strategies can be a game changer. Backtesting allows you to see how well a trading strategy would have performed in the past, providing you with invaluable insights into its potential future performance. So let's dive right in and explore how you can start backtesting on TradingView without any cost involved. To begin, head over to TradingView's homepage and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the chart section. This is where you'll be spending most of your time, as it's essentially the workspace where you'll carry out the backtesting. TradingView's charts come equipped with numerous tools, making it an excellent choice for both novice and experienced traders alike. When you've opened a chart, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen. There, you'll find a tab labeled Strategy Tester. Go ahead and click on it. The Strategy Tester feature in TradingView is a powerful tool that allows you to simulate trades using historical data. This step effectively opens up a panel that will display your backtesting results as we proceed through the steps. Now, in the Strategy Tester pane, you'll notice a section where you can select different strategies. This is where you choose the strategy you want to test. Exploring different strategies can provide insights into which ones align best with your trading style and goals. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all in trading, so don't hesitate to try out various options. If you're just starting out, consider selecting a basic strategy to understand how the process works. After selecting your desired strategy, the next step involves selecting a specific pre-built strategy, such as the bar up DN strategy. You can do this by navigating to the list of available strategies and clicking on the one you wish to use. The bar up DN strategy is a good starting point, as it's relatively simple to understand and analyze. It's designed to give signals based on bar movements, which can be insightful for many types of traders. Once the strategy is selected, TradingView will automatically load and apply it onto your chart. You'll then be able to see the results in the Strategy Tester panel. These results include key metrics like the total return, percentage of profitable trades, and other vital statistics that can help you evaluate the strategy's past performance. And there you have it. Through these straightforward steps, you've successfully learned how to backtest strategies on TradingView, and all of this is available to you at no additional cost. By regularly backtesting, you can optimize your strategies over time and become a more confident, informed trader. Thanks for tuning in, and good